Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a good day. Here in Nova Scotia, it's kind of cold. There's no snow. It's kind of sunny and cloudy, lots of wind. Anyway, I have quite a bit to cover today. I hope you'll enjoy it. Let me know if you want to continue receiving these emails. I'll try to only do them weekly. Now, I'm going to kind of read some of this, and you'll find it in the email. And business pitch idioms. To burn the midnight oil, to work late into the night. I know a lot of my IT students, finance students do this. One of my consulting students told me he worked something like 14 hours a day for 2 weeks straight. Crazy stuff. How about to have a finger in every pie? To be involved in many different things or activities. I think that's a mistake I make sometimes. I just get really interested in a lot of different things, and I've just got to make sure I do one thing really well, and that's coaching my students in business English. To be in the black, to be profitable. And we say also to be in the red, which is not so good. It's not profitable. To be a wolf in sheep's clothing, to appear friendly or harmless, but be dangerous or deceitful. So deceitful is kind of hiding the truth. To be a penny pincher, to be careful with money and avoid spending unnecessarily. Now, we also say, don't be penny wise and pound poor, right? Try to save a few cents and lose a dollar. Phrasal verbs. To go over. Let's go over this in detail. To review, discuss in detail. Have you come up with any good ideas this week? If you have for business English, let me know. Let me know what you'd like to learn in the next lesson. To follow up. We generally say to follow up on something, to take further action or make additional contact after an initial meeting or discussion. People are so busy they miss emails, and sometimes we need to send a second one. We have to follow up. To touch base. Can I touch base with you on this matter? It's kind of important. Can you spend a little time to make contact or meet someone to discuss a particular topic or issue? To get back to. I'll get back to you tomorrow on this. I'm kind of up to my eyeballs in work right now, but tomorrow should be a lot better, so we can spend a little time talking about this. Adjectives to describe yourself. I'd like to say I'm a resourceful person, able to find clever ways to overcome difficulty. Independent. We all want to be independent thinkers. And I think a key thing about doing a job interview is to go in there independent. Have the attitude that you want to win the job if it's the right job for you. Confident. We need to show confidence. We speak better when we feel confident. Big part of that's not to look right at people's eyes. I always say look at their foreheads. Anyway, confidence is important. Passionate. Most of my students are very passionate about their work. I've noticed it. It seems to be a common trait. Having or showing strong emotions or beliefs. Fun-loving. We all need to be fun-loving at times. We need to get out there and have fun with our families. Be easygoing. Loyal. We all appreciate loyalty. Faithful or devoted to someone or something. Generous. I think if we give, we obtain. When we freely give to others, we get it back again. It's the law of reciprocity. So willingly giving or sharing money, time, or other resources with others. Optimistic. If we're optimistic, we'll probably be happier. There's something to be said about being pragmatic. It seems to be a balance that we have to reach in business. But being hopeful is very important. Adventurous. Willing to take risks or try new things. Have you jumped out of an airplane lately? Try to use a parachute. Diligent. Another word would be conscientious, showing care or conscientiousness in one's work or duties. All my students are very diligent. All my students work very hard. All my students want to complete their assignments. An elevator pitch. We're often asked to say something about ourselves. Maybe you're getting up to give a little speech and you have to introduce yourself. Perhaps we're leading a meeting, or perhaps we're at a meeting and we're asked to get up and spend 30 seconds saying something about ourselves. Or the typical one is a job interview where they say, "Can you tell me a little more about yourself?" So let's try this one. I'll try and put myself in it. I can't guarantee I'll do a great job. Hello, my name's Bert Langell, and I'm an English coach, business English coach, with 3 years of experience and over 3,000 classes. I'm passionate about helping my students obtain success using business English, and I believe my skills and experience will make a valuable contribution to your organization. In my previous roles, I was a co-founder of a $2+ billion public company. That was a real experience. And I was also president of a chamber of commerce, which forced me to get up in front of a lot of people and tried to give speeches. It's not something I'm really strong in, but people were very understanding, and I actually got to the point where I enjoyed doing it. And of course, I was in the insurance business for many years. So I'm confident I can bring some level of excellence to this position. I'm excited about the opportunity of joining your team and to help your company achieve its goals. So that's about it for today. I hope you are all doing well. Things are starting to get quiet here in Canada as everyone prepares for the holiday season, the new year. I've been thinking about my students, what we've done in the last year, how I would like to change my teaching methods for this coming year. I'd like to be more program oriented, more solution oriented. I'd like my students to tell me maybe 3-4 distinct things they want to achieve, and as specific as you can be. So maybe how to successfully do a business meeting in English, or how to perform a great interview, how to make a presentation. With doing those things, then we will become more confident speaking anyway. And those kinds of exercises will force us to build our vocabulary. I want you to keep reading. I want you to keep doing those impromptu 2-minute recordings. Send some to me. Assess yourself. How's my pronunciation? How's my grammar? How's my use of vocabulary? Am I doing proper intonation? Are my sentences flowing well? Just how easy are you to listen to? And hey, we all hate our voices. They sound really strange. I read this, actually, there's a physiological reason for this, but I haven't met a student yet who didn't have a decent voice. Do these things and you will see a great improvement in your English. And as far as accents are only critical when they interfere with understanding. So listen to your accent. Anyway, thank you.